So we checked the weather conditions for offshore, and upon discovering that the conditions were looking very favourable to pass up, we loaded up the boat and we headed out there. Now, upon launching in the river and then heading out towards the heads, we quickly realised that the conditions of the actual water itself were a lot different to what was forecast, which made us wonder if we were going to go out at all or not. We decided to just gun it. Well, not gun it, but we decided just to head out and get past the breakers, because once we were past that point, it was just swell we had to deal with, which isn't that bad. So we ended up heading out, but the swell was pretty bad, to the point where you got to the bottom of the swell, you couldn't see the landmass anymore. So we were in a small little tinny boat. I wasn't even sure if we were going to stay out there or not, so I didn't even bother setting the cameras up. That all changed when we hooked into our first fish, which is how this video starts.
To be honest, it's heavy as all buggery, and it's got head shakes. So
7-gill maybe.
either that or a gummy. Still cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whichever shark will bite and just sit, because it's just like little bites each time. So, do me a favour and just wind that light rod in.
Yep. Oh, fucking left hand reel. This feels weird.
Oh, did you have the fish on?
It was on.
Tail's gone. Must have been slimy. Oh, Christ. It's heavy, whatever this is. Oh, I don't know what. I think I've only got 30 weight on this too.
Okay, now he's woken up.
That's what we're out here for. Oh, my arm's starting to hurt. Did you just get a hit?
I don't know if that's bottom or if I'm on.
Nah, you drag set.
Yeah, I'm on.
Hopefully it's not my fish hooked up in your line.
I think I'm on. Yep, this is weight just coming up.
That's crazy. 2 fish on. As soon as we put that slimy on.
Yep. Although mine's just weight, mine isn't doing anything like yours is.
Oh, I've got a big gumbo.
Oh yeah.
Is that a gumbo? Yeah, that is a gumbo.
Nice.
Yes. That's his. Oh, hold on, Carl. Oh, give me the net. Give me the net.
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
You do with yours.
Okay.
Oh,
That's a nice gummy, that one.
look at it take off.
Although mine has a lot, like a lot of weight.
Oh, no, don't come off.
Well, I think that just made the decision for us. We're staying here.
Yeah. Where are we coming out the front next?
Whenever we get the next...
Whether we know.
Yeah. Come on, if this is 2 gummies...
I don't want to lose this.
It's a good gummy, that
Easily
one.
my biggest gummy, by far. I don't know how it was sitting on it though, it's just not doing anything.
Mine was doing the same. So I don't know if this is a gummy or not. It's still not doing much.
I just don't want to put too much pressure on it. It's light leader, or light low leader.
You getting him up?
Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh god, I've done so well to keep him on. Oh, I've got the second hook in his tail. Well, one of the reasons why he's fighting so hard.
Yep.
There we go.
Nice. He's a good one.
Oh, I reckon finish yours. I'll drag it back this way. That works. Oh, I was only fighting him by the tail hook.
Jesus.
No. Keep our arm open. Yeah.
He is a nice gummy.
No question that he's legal at least.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, fucking hell. I can't even move mine, whatever it is. I think I might just have a giant skate on, to be honest.
Shit, I only got him by the tail hook. Oh my god. Let's go, Carl. Come on.
I think this is just a giant ass skate.
At least you're getting it up on the go, sir. Work those muscles.
It's not my
I
muscles.
was backing down too.
Yeah. It's not my muscles, it's me fucking back at this point.
School of fish cut into the boat. I like to pitch the plastic out so you can't get it.
Yep.
Cheers! I feel like it's really lovely. Oh no.
Fucking hell.
Oh, lots of got a big school of bait fish coming under us at the moment. Oh, that line is tight. I'll probably lose it. Come on, Carl, you can do it. He's coming. Is your drag just set really loose, or?
Nah. Oh, he's off.
Could have been a bush shark as well.
Nah, that thing was... I'm pulling this up now and he was on the bottom that whole time.
Oh, was he?
Yeah. Alright, with that gummy, you want to bleed him as soon as you can.
For that fish, I really
Oh shit. I think it might be time to put on a wire trace. Yep, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do.
Fuck, I spent so long loading on my gearing last night, trying to work out what shit I had that I could bring with me to use and that. Shark or?
Yep.
Right, some rods. Gummy?
Don't know, it's definitely something, but... Yeah, it's got head shakes.
Oh yeah, man.
He knows his hook now. That did not take long.
Oh, I've got something on too. Oh. Alright.
I might have to bring that electric up.
Alright, give me 2 seconds.
Actually, I think, yeah, all good. He's out from that way now.
Sweet, so let's just mark where we are.
Okay, he's getting a bit closer now. Okay, got colour.
That's a 7-gill, isn't it?
Yep. It's a 7-gill if ever I've seen one.
Gilla my grilla.
Yeah, I don't know how we're going to go about this.
Are you wanting to try and get in the boat or not?
Yeah, because it's a wire trace. Not get it in the boat, just get the hook out at least.
You got a decent pair of pliers?
I don't think so.
Well, I'll clear some rods.
Yep. Had to be a dog meat shark, didn't it?
There's a very, very small boat if we do have to get him in here.
Yeah, look, he's a fucking shit-eating fish. I don't want to keep him. I just want to get me bloody hook out of him.
I thought they weren't bad eating.
Apparently that tastes like shit.
Alright. Have you got pliers in your bag?
No.
I've only got small forceps, so... And I like ya. But I don't think I'm quite putting my fingers in his mouth for ya. Because I'm pretty sure he's a toothy bastard.
He is. See, good thing I put the wire trace on it.
Oh, I can't. When you put it on, I thought it wasn't going to happen. Like, I really thought it wasn't going to happen.
Well, look, after I saw that hook chomped clean off, I'm like, yeah, wire trace has to go on.
Big old Gilla Grilla. He's coming. Slowly. Come on, you can do it, Carl.
Tell you what, that first run was easy, now is just fucking wait.
Alright, you're lucky. Otherwise you might have to cut your trace off.
Big fucking boy.
Well, to take fun, swing his head towards me. Rode the pigeon too. I'm assuming.
Let go.
I'm going to assume you want a photo of some sort of him.
Oh, whatever I need is probably on the GoPro right now.
Well, I was going to say, if you can get him, his head pointing towards me on the side of the boat and kneel down, I'll be able to get a photo for you. Like, if you can just get down to your trace and then... That rod's paying its dividends now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Do you reckon that's what you beat you off before?
Probably.
Considering that you've only just pinned him on the outside of the mouth. Carlos's day made. Oh. You tired yet?
A little bit.
It's all in pack bomb. Extra burly.
Do we have anything that can get that hook out of him?
Not really. Oh, that was scary, him coming up towards me with his head.
Oh, down he goes.
Come on, I'm trying to get a photo for you. You know, yeah, you might be able to hook, you might be able to, it's like, see the yellow flies there?
Yep.
Might be able to just put them around it. But he's got to stay up here long enough for us to do it.
Yeah, I've just got to wear him out enough. I mean, you've seen the rod fucking dragging him sideways, so. Okay, got the trace.
I don't know if I really got a photo, but photo. Go around the bottom of it. So like, pass me those. You hold the trace, I'll take the... Alright.
It's not exactly a small fucking shark.
No, it's fucking solid,
Tell you what, get the knife, cut that bit of skin where the... Because he's only just hooked. I reckon that's the way to do it. There we go. See you later, mate.
Dude!
Success. Whew, that's a workout.
I'm not worried that you managed to hold on to it, that's...
Oh, this rod fucking is the only reason I was able to.
You'll probably start putting on like whole salmon, fucking half. One whole big chunk of curved snook.
Oh hey, if it catches fish, that's what matters. I mean, how often do we get to go out offshore?
Calmed off a long way now.
It has.
Ooh, I'm on. Yep.
Yep, that's definitely a fish.
Oh, might not be. Oh yeah, no it is. Where's the bottom? Oh no, that's a fish.
Got head shakes?
Oh, not quite like a gummy. Might need you to pull up that light line.
Got it.
The other one out the back, we just don't have to worry.
Whoa, shit.
Oh, the god.
Oh no.
It's alright, it's only hooked on. Yeah.
All good.
Oh god, whatever this is, it's just taken off.
Eagle ray?
Nah, an eagle ray would be coming up. It's definitely lunging, like it's not.
Could be a giant gummy or a schoolie.
Yeah.
Out here could be fucking anything.
Getting the line back on it now. Oh, you too?
Yep. Oh shit, mine's gone straight under the fucking boat.
That's right. The other rod is like miles out the back, so. You getting head shakes or?
Yep.
Mine's gone fairly dead. Your brother just commented on my story.
You mean my sister? Fuck, it's across your line.
Like miles at the back.
And that's exactly where his fucking fish has gone.
Oh, it might be a gummy. Head shakes there now. Oh.
Come on, get away from that fucking line. I'm getting charged now.
Mine's just surfing around on the boat.
Whatever I hooked just charged us. It's on the surface. I just saw it.
You might have a mako. If it's come up.
Yeah, it's come. It was right up on the surface just over there.
If that is a mako, I've got no idea what we're going to do about it. I'm going to have to tail rope it.
Drag the cunt in backwards.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh god. I don't know what the hell I hooked. The fact that I haven't broken it off yet. I reckon I've got a ray off or a shark or something. Oh, it's head kicks. Oh, come on.
Okay, turned him.
I'm getting someone back on now, but I can't.
Yeah, whatever this is acting real weird. It's acting like a ray where it just keeps its head down and does nothing. And then it went for that run on the surface and then it charged us.
Yours might be an eagle. There's only probably other stuff that jump like that.
He didn't jump, but he came right up to the surface. Oh, he's turned again.
But I don't think it's a break, just I'm getting it up. When you picked your rod up, did it just go like thump, thump, run?
No, it was just wait and then just ran.
Oh, that's either a big gummy or it's another 7-gill. Is that a gummy?
Looks like it. Oh, yeah, it is.
No way! That's huge! What tricks did I not like this?
Shit. Hey, look, it's right on the surface there. You see it? Look.
Yeah. Blue shark?
Is it long?
Oh yeah, it's a big shark.
Shark on the surface.
It's good, whatever it is.
Yep.
It's not, I don't think it's going to be a mako because it's not jumping.
Nah.
But
Tell you what,
the electric's having to work so hard to keep us in place. I'll just
We've-
get my other rod.
oh yeah, he just jumped.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Well,
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There he is. That is a monster.
Jesus, look at the.
Don't tell me it's a
It is too.
it's a fucking ray.
Oh my god.
Look at the fucking size of it.
How did you get it in?
Well, honestly, I should have called it with the lack of head shakes.
Look at the bar on
Fuck.
it.
Holy.
How am I unhooking this thing?
I don't think we are, to be honest.
See where it's pinned. If I can see where it's gobbies. Oh Jesus! He just tried to stab me with his.
Yeah, nah, look, just cut this off.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's not worth it. I don't fuck around with these things.
Holy Jesus! Do you want me to cut your trace, or do you want me to?
Yeah, just cut the line.
Oh, I can cut the trace.
Nah, it's all good, I'll get it.
Alright.
Yep, it's all good, let go.
Well done.
I definitely need a break after that.
You did well to get him in, that's for sure. Oh, I've got. Oh shit. That's a gummy. Oh no, it's wrapped up in my other rod. Shit. Carl, can you, are you on or are you? Oh fuck. Gummy. Oh, get away from that motor! Oh, oh no, that's a gummy. Oh yeah.
You want the net?
Yep, no.
Fuck, that was a slap.
Thank God I put all my leader on. No, I won't net him on tailing like I did the last time.
You sure?
Yep. Because you won't get the head in the net. I just got to get him up. I almost, after I broke the other one off, I almost tailed it as well.
Yeah, I got your rod.
Huh? That's alright. Oh yeah.
Nice. Another good one.
He's got one of the other one, I reckon. Oh god. He's solid.
Oh yeah,
He is really solid.
he is. It's thick too.
Oh, he came on the wrasse. Oh god, all he's doing is racking the fuck out of himself. Oh, you got one or?
Yep. Oh, he's off.
Something little or?
Nah, it's off.
Did it feel little?
Just felt like dead weight.
Oh god. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. My arm's here, so I'm just trying to hold him. Alright, you stay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Do you want to grab that? It's yours if you want it. It looks like a gummy.
I think it is.
Fuck, good one too.
Yep. Oh, fighting a fish opposite handed just feels fucking weird.
I reckon you'll actually like it better because you can pump them one at the same time. Yeah, that. Or is it alright?
That's okay for now, but it is moving. Shit! Fuck me.
Alright, I'll go with your fish. No, I was on the bottom. Oh, that was rinse. That's it, Carlos. Another one on the board.
Yep.
Wow, don't pick too soon, but oh yeah, nice one.
Hey!
Oh no!
So good, I still got him.
How was that for quick hands? Not near my toes, thank you very much, you fucking whore. On the wrasse again. Alright, I've got the pliers here.
Oh my god, he is making a fucking mess.
They do that. Alright, hook's out. Oh, fucking hell.
That's one way to get the hook out. Now, after this point, I'm sure you could hear it, the wind started to pick up. So we ended up going back into the river mouth and flicking some plastics around trying to hunt down some trevally. What ended up happening was all we found was a bunch of undersized flathead. Now, previously in this video, we've nearly been stabbed by giant stingrays. We've caught sharks as big as the boat, so catching undersized flatties kind of seems redundant. So I'm not going to bore you with watching 10 minutes of undersized fucking flathead because that's just stupid. But nonetheless, the events of this day turned out to be very successful. So we are both happy. We've both got a belly full of gummy meat, and my back is now recovering from being turned into a pretzel. So hope you enjoyed watching.